Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Everspace 2 not opening. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do, first click here and then go to graphics settings. Now turn on this option and then go back and go to device manager. Now go to display adapters, right click update, search automatically for updates for drivers and then do the same thing to the next one. And after that, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, try to launch it, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now go to Windows Update Settings and then check for updates and make sure you have all the updates that you can find here, and then go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers and check for updates. And that's it. Now just install all the updates that you can find. After that, just try to launch it as an administrator and make sure to close all the applications that you don't need. And then your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.